Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something that could absolutely be a game changer for an artist's career in 2025. We're talking about art licensing. And trust me, if you're a creator of any kind, you're going to want to stick around for this.
I mean, really, just stop and think about that for a second. What if that incredible piece you poured your heart into last month could keep generating income over and over again without you having to lift another finger? The thing is, it totally can, and that's the magic of what we're talking about today.
You know, so many artists are sitting on what's basically a gold mine of untapped potential. Your existing portfolio, all those pieces you've already created, could be a secret source of revenue and a way to get your work seen by, well, millions. So let's figure out how to unlock.
Okay, I get it. The term licensing can sound kind of corporate and intimidating, right? But honestly, when you break it down, the core idea is super simple and it's incredibly powerful for artists.
So here's the deal in plain English. You, the artist, are basically giving a company permission to use one of your art pieces on a specific product for a specific amount of time. The most important thing to remember is this: you are not selling your art. You're not giving away your rights. You always own it. It's like you're renting it out, not selling the house.
So, what does this look like in the real world? It's pretty simple. You create something amazing. Let's say it's a cool abstract pattern. A home decor company sees it, loves it, and licenses it from you. Next thing you know, bam! Your design is on a whole new line of throw pillows in stores all over the country.
Okay, so why is everyone talking about this now? Well, in today's digital world, licensing has become one of the smartest, most strategic things an artist can do. Let's get into the big reasons why. All right, the big one first, we're talking about building a sustainable income. Think about it. A commission is great, but it's usually a one-and-done payment for your time. Licensing is different. It lets a single piece of your art become a little money-making machine that just keeps going. And this is all about scalability. Imagine that one design. Now it's not just a painting. It's on phone cases, it's on fabric, it's on notebooks, and you're earning a royalty from every single sale. With all the online marketplaces out there now, this is a fantastic way to build a real financial foundation for your art career.
But it's not just about the money. Think about the exposure. When you partner with these big companies, your art gets put in front of millions of people who might never find your Instagram or walk into a gallery. Suddenly your work is in homes and in hands all across the globe.
And this might be one of the most crucial parts, especially today. We're talking about protection. In a world where your art can be screenshotted and shared in a second, a formal licensing agreement is basically your legal shield.
This is so important. The contract is your best friend here. It spells out exactly how your art can be used, for how long, and where in the world. It stops anyone from messing with your work without your okay and makes it crystal clear that you are and always will be the owner.
And the playground for all of this, it is absolutely huge. I mean, to really get why this matters, you have to understand the sheer scale of the world we're playing in right now. $12 billion. Let that sink in for a second. That's what the global online art market is worth in 2025. This isn't some tiny niche corner of the internet. It's a gigantic global economy just humming with brands and buyers looking for unique work. And licensing? That's the key. It's the practical, real-world tool that lets you, the artist, walk right into that massive market and find your place. It connects your amazing creativity directly to global commerce.
Now look, let's be real. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Yeah, contracts can be tricky, and you do have to be smart about not letting your work be everywhere to the point that it dilutes your brand. But when you stack those challenges up against the rewards, passive income, a global audience, creative control, the upside is just massive.
Okay, so I bet you're thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Don't worry, we've got you. Let's walk through a simple 4-step roadmap that'll take you from the studio to getting paid. Step 1. Create a portfolio of work that's ready for the market. It helps to keep an eye on trends like all the nature-inspired art people are loving right now. Step 2. Go find the opportunities. Research brands that feel like a good fit for your style, or maybe look into licensing agencies. Step 3 is negotiation. This is where you lock in the important stuff, like how they can use it, for how long, and your royalty rate, which, usually lands somewhere between 3 and 10%. And finally, step 4. Keep an eye on how it's being used and collect those royalties you've earned.
All right, to bring it all home, let's put this into a super simple, actionable checklist. If you're excited and want to start exploring this today, here's exactly where you should put your energy first. First things first, get your portfolio looking sharp and consistent. Second, start that research. Make a list of brands whose products would just be a perfect match for your art. Number 3, and please don't skip this, copyright your work to make sure you're legally protected. And finally, don't try to do it all alone. Tap into artist communities online. You can learn so much from people who are already doing it. You know, it's just like Art and Fallen magazine said. This is a gateway. It's a path to having more financial stability, getting your work seen by more people, and having real control over your career. It's a business strategy that really empowers you as an artist.
So I'll leave you with this thought. Every piece of art you create has a voice. It has a story. By looking at the licensing, you can find countless new stages for that story to be told. So the question isn't really if you can, it's where will you begin?